Welcome, in this video I will show you how to adjust camera settings in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings in the main menu by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen or by pressing the F3 button on your keyboard. After that, go to graphics menu, and in graphics menu select View tab at the top of your screen and then scroll down to camera section. Now let's see what settings we have here. So the first two settings let you enable or disable world motion blur and weapon motion blur. So if you are sensitive to movement effects, harsh movement effects, you can disable them by switching the toggles next to these two options to the left, or you can enable them if you want to, if you like the effects of the motion blur. Now, the following option is following two options are the camera movement settings. So if you want your camera to shake less, you have to drop one of this list down and then select either less or least, and this way you will reduce the camera shaking movement for both first-person camera and third-person camera. And the following option is third-person ADS transition, and by switching between first and third-person ADS, you will decide whether when you play in third-person camera, whether the camera will turn to first person or will stay in the third person when you are aiming with your weapon. And the following option is inverted flashbang, which is very useful for people sensitive to light, as enabling this feature will make flashbangs turn your screen black. So if you need this, you just have to switch this toggle to the right, and if you don't, just turn it off. And once you leave this menu, the settings will be applied. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.